Hello guys, welcome to my garage. This is my green Mitsubishi Colt from 1998. This car has over 120,000 miles on the clock and its throttle pedal feels a bit sticky and idle RPMs are wobbly and not stable. These symptoms are common when your throttle body is full of carbon deposits, oil and junk. So today we are going to clean my throttle body. For this job you will need air intake and carburetor cleaner and Phillips head screwdriver. First step is to let your engine warm up to the operating temperature. Give your engine few revs. Make sure it's nice and warm and then shut it off. Start with loosening the screw which holds the air duct to the airbox. Then wiggle your airbox out. Then loosen the screw which holds the air duct to the throttle body. Unplug the engine breather hose and wiggle your air duct out. Now our air duct is out, it's good opportunity to clean it thoroughly. Look at all those disgusting deposits in there. Ooh. Make sure to read the instructions which come with your throttle body cleaner. Shake it well. First, wipe your throttle body with a towel. Then apply some cleaner. Now open your throttle plate, spray your cleaner inside and get in there with an old soft toothbrush to release the toughest deposits of carbon. Now check out how disgusting is this toothbrush. Now take a clean towel and wipe all the mess and remaining cleaner away. Now let's see if she starts. Remember that your intake is now full of cleaner and released carbon deposits, so the engine will not start so easily. So put your gas pedal to the floor and start her up. The engine will run rough for a little while, but then you will hear that it's much smoother than on the beginning. Give the engine a few good revs. And then take your carb cleaner and spray it directly into your intake. Now let her run for a while and then shut it off. Now check out how clean is this throttle body. It's like night and day difference. Now it's just a matter of putting your air intake system back together. Take your air duct, wiggle it on your throttle body, connect the engine ventilation hose, connect your airbox, slide in your filter, secure it with the tabs, and tighten the screws on the air duct. Now start your engine and make sure everything is tight and sits in place properly. You can hear the engine runs much smoother than on the beginning. Also, the throttle pedal doesn't feel so sticky, and the engine nicely holds idle revs. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you wanna see more simple tutorials like this, please consider subscribing. I will see you soon. Bye!